Welcome to Lucy Muse YouTube News, and this time it's the tower. The big massive scaffolding tower that I'm on right now. It's a bit scary, I've got to be honest. I'm glad I'm scared though, because it's logical, because you know, I could fall and die and everything. I would like to reassure you, the only reason I haven't got a hard hat and a harness on right now is for the purposes of filming. It's why I'm sat down so I can grip on. Normally, I would have full safety gear on, hard hat, harness. I have been working to put insulation on the wall. Solid though. And all this batten to keep it on there, and eventually I can put some plasterboard on there. So the whole team's been really busy doing that. I can't do it by myself. You've got to have a team of people working on this, otherwise it's an absolute nightmare. I'm a bit scared of being up here, but I'm up for the challenge and I'm learning so many new skills. I know at the moment I've got my sort of building gear on, but it's just a little bit safe. I feel a little bit safer with things to hook onto up here. Thank you very much for taking a look at my little building project. See you soon and have a wonderful sunny day. Bye. Here we go. Is it level? Not bad. Not bad.